So Dbrand just released a new line of accessories for the Z Fold8 Ultra. And I told him, yeah, go ahead and send some stuff over, man. Y'all is tripping. Shout out to Dbrand for snapping this hard because they literally sent a manifesto book on top of all this too. Like, what are you doing, Dbrand? Now, this was provided to me free of charge from Dbrand, but we also did get some other accessories from them like the Z Fold8 Ultra and the Z Flip 8, but we'll see about that in another video. Let's talk about what we got in front of us, the Z Fold8. And what do we actually have over here? We have the Z Fold8 Prism 2.0. We also have the grip case here from Dbrand, so definitely looking forward to that. Now, just to set the record straight, this is not my first rodeo with Dbrand. You see this Xbox Series S right here? I bought this with my own money and I went ahead and applied it on here, and it looks so dope, bro. And that's why I'm looking forward to trying these out, man. Starting with the grip case from Dbrand, as you can see right here. So we have the purchased, we know you would, delivered, you're welcome, installed, there's only one correct way. And if you screw it up, that's on you. So that's the Dbrand case right here, right from the jump. And we actually have a hinge protection on here, so that's cool. Now they do include these right here. So you can throw this on a case if you want to. You don't have to, but if you want to, you can go ahead and use these. And this looks exactly like the one I have on my Xbox. And then of course, you have your alcohol wipes, but these do look pretty cool to go ahead and throw on your case. Now it doesn't end there, thank God, because they actually have front protection on here. And when you look at the Samsung option, they don't give you anything like that. So this is Samsung's official case. It's a nice case and all, it is overpriced, but it's a nice case. It has MagSafe and everything on it. But the thing is, they have no front protection here at all for the cover screen. So that's why you got this here. And you also got extra adhesive just in case you need it later down the line. So let's go ahead and peel this off and let's try it on the phone. So throwing this on the Z Fold8 Ultra, we do have Samsung's anti-reflective coating screen protector on here. So we'll see if it go ahead and affect that or not. So far though, doesn't look like it, but it is plastic. And oh yeah, just right from the jump, I could definitely feel the amount of grip that we have right here with this alone. Now, when we throw this on here, let's see what that looks like. Do we have any adhesive on here? No, we don't. So let's go and throw that on our Z Fold8 Ultra. And that is what it's gonna look like right here from Dbrand. Really, really nice grip. Pause. So we have a grip for the phone, and then we have a grip for our hands, because I am very clumsy, so I do appreciate that. But yeah, like I said, nice amount of grip right there. We do have protection all around. As you can see, we do have a hinge protection. Not really sure why Sony wants to do that to me, but there we go. Protection there on the hinge. And if you look right there, we have precise cutouts here. So we have the speakers and we have the microphones, and you can see right there, it's just perfectly aligned. We have a volume rocker opening, so it's not going to be protected or anything. It's just going to be openly exposed like that. At the bottom, we have more precise cutouts, so we have our microphones, and then we have everything else right there. And that's what the back of the Dbrand grip looks like. So if you want to go and grab one of these skins and just throw it on the back right there, you can always do that. Now, which one should I use? I don't know, man. I'm kind of feeling this one though. Let's go and grab our alcohol wipe, clean this up a little bit, and then go and throw that on. Yeah, maybe I should have just watched the Dbrand tutorial for that. Dbrand is not even out yet. Oops, my bad, still on pre-order. So after some persuading and sweet talking the case, I actually got it looking on there pretty good too. Look at that. I like it a lot. Oh, hey, ladies and gentlemen, guess what? That is MagSafe. That is what I'm talking about, Dbrand. Yeah. I also have this anchor cable in here. As you can see, fits perfectly fine, no issues. All right, next up, we have the Prism 2.0. Now, this is Dbrand's screen protector line right here, the glass screen protectors anyway. And I've heard good things about this, but I don't know. I feel like it's kind of hard to scrub a glass screen protector, unless we're talking about fitment. All right, let's go and see what we got up in here. We got the I can read instructions. So yeah, you know Dbrand, their whole marketing and whatever. That's just how they always been. And as you can see right here, we have this so we can go ahead and easily install it on our phone. Now, I'm the type of person where I'll go ahead and run my shower and I'll go ahead and steam up my bathroom so we can get rid of all the dust. Because I want absolutely no dust, because the bathroom in your house is probably going to be the least dusty room that you have. But they also do give you a cleaning kit, so everything you need right here. So that's pretty dope. And then I was actually worried for a second. Hold on a second. So I was going to say, I don't really like the fact that we don't have two screen protectors, but we do. So that's cool. All right, so I'm in my bathroom. Crazy statement, I know. But do you see me in my mirror? No, you don't. That's exactly the point, and that's why we want this all steamed up. Not so you don't see yourself in the mirror, but more so your phone don't get dust inside of it. So I'm actually just waiting for that to go and settle down right now. I turn off the shower. I'm just waiting for the steam to kind of just settle down or whatever. And I close the door back so I don't allow any new dust in there. But I'm gonna give it about maybe like 10 minutes or something like that, and then we'll go ahead and get back to it. Should be better than that plastic screen protector I have from Samsung. But first order of business is to make sure you turn off your phone. So I already turned it off, so I ain't got to worry about that. And it's pretty straightforward. All you have to do is just go ahead and open this up. I'm going to go ahead and get one of these wet wipes, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe my screen down. So go ahead and grab an alcohol wipe and just clean it all off. All right, so it's cool. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab this cleaning cloth right here. We're gonna go and wipe it down. The only thing I'll say I don't like so far is the fact that they don't give you any type of dust removal stickers. I don't know why they don't do that because that's pretty essential for me. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm just kind of hoping and praying we don't get any dust in here because that would really suck. All right, so kind of just looking in the light, it looks like we might be good. I think we are good. So let's just go ahead and try to throw the screen protector on before we get any dust on it. Wait, hold up. I got a little smear here at the top right. Let me go ahead and get that first. Now I'm gonna keep it 100 with you. I definitely got to go ahead and get like some kind of dust remover sticker. I'll be right back. So this is just one I had lying around because there's absolutely no way I'm gonna get through this and not have dust on it without being able to do this. So Dbrand, if you're watching this, and I know you are, for the future, please include these dust remover stickers because I need it. It just makes you less likely to go ahead and mess up your install, but okay, I think we're gonna be good here now. All right, so at this point, you wanna go ahead and get your alignment tray and make sure that the eye is facing up towards the top of the phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this now. And at this point, you just go ahead and put it on, just like that. And there we go. So now I'm gonna go ahead and swipe down just like this. Okay, cool. And now let's go ahead and press in the middle, pull this off, and there we go. Now you're gonna see bubbles, obviously, so just give it a second. Go ahead and grab this that comes in there, and then just go ahead and swipe it out. And at a certain point, you're still gonna have bubbles in here, but after that, it's gonna be a perfect install. I see no dust. Perfect alignment with Spigen's grip case over here. So literally no issues at all. So that's dope. Not that I expected it, but when you pair screen protectors and cases from different companies on folding phones, I always notice it's always incompatible. Because what's usually the case is that when you go ahead and put a glass screen protector on here, the case is actually gonna go ahead and like kind of push up on the screen protector and kind of peel it off. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about Spigen's grip case in Prism 2.0. So it's looking dope so far. It's making the phone a little bit thicker than I want to, but at least I know it's protected. Now, oh my God, that made way more noise than I thought. As for the book, I was gonna go ahead and unbox this, but I think the most appropriate thing to do is just go ahead and tease y'all with it just now and go ahead and let y'all know that you'll see it later in another video. I mean, really though, the cover of this thing looks crazy. I already seen Linus Tech Tips mentioned it here a couple times. They love Linus. With that being said though, if there's only one thing in life, it's to keep it eccentric. That's why my name's Tech, and I'm gonna get up with y'all later, man. Peace out.